So we have just been sent some brand new footage on the Makita cordless microwave, and I mean, you guys are just as excited as we are on this one. We absolutely love the look of this. Of course, Makita have all of their wacky inventions. You got the kettle, you got the cooler, you got the coffee maker. Now we're getting a battery-powered microwave. So we're just gonna, you know, give a bit of a reaction to this new footage. So as you see, it's running here off of your 40-volt batteries. This is a 40-volt max product. So it actually runs off two 40-volt batteries. And here's a bloke, oh, looks like he's got his lunch in the bag. And in the back of the van, he's got himself a Makita cordless microwave. You've got to love it. Look at this, very sleek design as well, I will say. Obviously, it's not the focus, but it's very nice looking. And this fella's he's got a whole meal coming out here. What's this? I feel like I'm watching an episode of Heston or something like this. It looks like salmon or something in there. But you can cook up anything. I feel like most people here would be using it for, you know, your Tesco microwave meals. You know, slap in your chicken and bacon, pasta, bacon, away you go. One thing that I just saw there as well is you can change the wattage between, is it 500 and 350? That's lovely stuff. And then, you know, just adjust the time on the dial and away you go. I mean, they make it look really, really easy. And I mean, it's a microwave. You slap something in the microwave and you're good to go, enjoy your lunch. But look at how portable it is. You know, you can just carry it around on site if you want to. Oh, this fella's got the whole setup. Look at this. He's camping out in there, you know, next to his Makita branded cooler, you know, and then popping his dinner in the microwave. You don't even need kitchens anymore. With Makita, anything is possible. Just have a cooler. You don't need a fridge. Have a cooler and a warmer. Have yourself a microwave and a kettle, and you're good to go. You don't need any of this kitchen stuff. Just Makita branded, and we've also got a USB port, so it can cook your dinner, you can charge your phone. I mean, what's next at this point? Is it going to tuck me in at night as well? I mean, every bell and whistle imaginable with Makita, you're getting it here. So, I mean, we know you guys are excited for it. We are as well. We've actually got a bit of an article as well in the description below. You can actually see more about the Makita kettle we've got on the ITS Hub. If you want to be, you know, up to date with brand new Makita products and brand new products from anywhere, best place for it is over on its.co.uk.